Alright, this is a short and sweet guide on how to disable secure boot on the Lenovo Thinkcentre M75q Gen 2. Disabling secure boot will allow you to install any OS on this device. Alright, so once you power up the machine and you see the Lenovo splash screen, you can start pressing F1. This will bring up the BIOS. You will be presented with a quick menu screen. You can just press enter to close that. From there, we are going to navigate down the side menu to security with the down arrow key. Once it's highlighted, you can press the right arrow key to enter that set of menus. From here, we're going to hit the down arrow a ton of times because secure boot is quite buried. But once you see secure boot and you have it highlighted, you can press enter. That'll bring us into the secure boot menu. You can press enter one more time to activate the drop down, in which case you're going to want to set it to disabled. Press enter again to set it. And then from there, we're ready to save and quit. So you can press F10. It'll bring up the save and quit menu. Press enter, and that'll reboot your machine. And you should be able to install any flavor of Linux on this machine at this point, and you're all good to go.